Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Beatrice. Today's Yin Bite, it's going to be all on our back. So when you're ready, come and join me. Coming down to our back, no props for today, just two postures, both taken on either side. So as we come down to our back, making sure we have space in front, space at the back, lowering down with control, with attention. And then lengthening the legs forwards, taking the hands either on the belly or either side. We're going to move from here. So when we're ready, finding that stillness of the hips on the ground and walking the feet to the left as much as we need to keep that right hip to the ground and feel sensations at the right side. If this is enough, stay here. If you want to add the upper body, lengthen the arms up, the right arm up overhead first, and then lift the upper back and take it to the left. Try to keep both shoulders on the ground. If you want to, you can hold on to your right wrist with the left hand or onto opposite elbow. Another option is to bring that right ankle over the left. Sometimes people prefer the other way around. Have a play and decide for yourself. You can follow the position with the gaze, so looking up to the left as well. Kind of supporting your head with that left upper arm. Coming here, taking a few deep breaths. Allowing our attention to fall onto that right side of our body. Maybe even using these short sequences that we take out of the day as a meditation, as a mindfulness practice. Deep belly breaths, no need to change the rhythm of your breath, just staying with your breath and take it to a deeper state. Just taking 2 more breaths here. If you have your legs crossed, uncross the ankles, take the feet back to center, and the upper body comes back to center. Release the arms just for a moment. Feeling to that right side of the body. And begin to compare it with the left. See how that feels. Now we've done one side. And when we're ready, we can move to the other side. So walking the feet to the right. Maybe adding the upper body so we can lengthen the left arm up and overhead. Maybe lift the shoulders off the ground, take them to the right, holding onto the wrist or onto opposite elbow, and following the gaze to the right. Maybe crossing the left ankle over the right, but trying to keep both hips on the ground, both shoulders on the ground. Connecting now with our left side of the body. And slowly bringing it into awareness, noticing how it feels. Taking 2 more deep breaths on this side. And uncrossing the ankles, taking the legs back to center, releasing arms. And taking a moment here to notice the 2 sides, possibly feeling a little bit more balanced, a bit more even, and then taking the feet flat to the ground, knees come into the chest. And when you're ready, drop the knees to the left and open the right arm out. Take your time to get into the posture. Readjust your hips if you need to. You can take that left hand on the belly. Connect with your breath. Noticing how the lower back feels on this right side. so that we can pay attention to sensations on both sides. Driving the knees back to center, and slowly maybe taking the hips back in line with the spine first, and then we can drop the knees to the right and take the left arm out to the side. The arm can be straight or bending the elbow. Adjust the hips in any way that feels good for you. Maybe taking the right hand to the upper thigh, or maybe taking it to the belly. Noticing the changes of sensations with the changing of the side. Maybe this twist, you feel it in different areas. The same twist on this different side might change the intensity, might change the area of sensation. Inhaling to bring the knees back up. Maybe hugging them into the chest, feeling into that low back, or maybe into the mid back, depending on where you felt that position. And then you can take it to Shavasana if you like. Obviously, if you need to go, you're welcome to. Just take yourself onto one side and bring yourself mindfully up to seated, and then continue with your day. But otherwise, take 5 minutes or so to stay here in Shavasana, feeling into the body. I really hope you enjoyed this practice. Please join me again soon. Thank you very much.